What's up? Eric here from Awesomoto. It is the SEMA show this week. Very excited to finally get to reveal to you the product that we've been working on in the backgrounds. It is November 5th, which if you've seen our previous post is the day that we get to finally announce it. So if you're familiar with our previous Molle panel product for the rear tailgate of the GX470, that is to fix that sagging net issue that the GX470 has. And so in addition to that, we've come out with another panel, and it is our GX470 Tool Kit panel. So this is going to replace the Tool Kit panel that you have in the back of your GX that's going to be available on our Awesomoto.tv shop. This is going to be similar to our other panel with a nice powder coated black finish, the 14 gauge cold rolled steel, and the same exact Molle grid that you're used to seeing from that other panel. So now you will have a full matching tailgate to your GX470. And the cool thing about this is the M6 grids here give you the ability to mount anything you want that's an M6 bolt size. So you can mount all sorts of accessories to that, axes, first aid kits, anything Molle, you can put it on here, and it's going to hold a lot of weight as well. So we have this latch mechanism here on the back that gives you the ability to put this through the existing OEM holes. And then we have these nice black plastic knobs with a bolt through the center. You can torque this down and close that gap, cinch it down tight, no rattling, and you can do it with and without that toolkit. So if you're in the situation where you're missing your toolkit cover, or you want to upgrade your toolkit cover to one of these Awesomoto panels, stay tuned because these are going to be for sale on our shop at Awesomoto.tv, just like the other panels. Keep an eye out this week on our Instagram and our YouTube channel for one of you lucky followers to win the first Awesomoto toolkit panel for yourself and for your GX. So I'm super excited to finally get to announce this to you and show you this new product. They're going to be on sale within the next few weeks. So while we're here at SEMA, we're going to go enjoy the rest of the show. We'll be bringing you all sorts of coverage from SEMA this week, so stay tuned for that content as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.